How's it going, y'all? We're here at MarineMax Dallas here in beautiful Lewisville, Texas. I'm standing outside this beautiful 2024 Mastercraft XT25, and as you can see, we have got orca killer whale vibes all throughout on this boat. This boat is an absolute beast. It'll hold your whole crew for the whole weekend, and that real strong 6.0 Ilmore engine that's in the back of this bad boy will absolutely rip all weekend, so you and your buddies can go surf and have a great weekend. Hanging out here on the stern, as you can see, we have this beautiful traditional teak swim platform. It's awesome, so if you're like me and just riding all the time, you can mark it up all year long, and then in the off season, just restain it, sand it down, and make it look good as new, so every year when you start the season, you have a brand new looking swim deck. As you can see, I'm just sitting here enjoying these beautiful lounge chairs on the back of this boat. Whether you're watching your best friend rip, or you're out there trying to pass the handle and teach the next generation how to ride, this is definitely the setup you want to be at. As you can see, this is just an absolute massive vessel. It will fit you and 17 of your closest friends out on for a massive fun weekend on the water. This boat does have a max capacity of 18. Whenever you're out there riding, whenever you guys start riding, getting that surfing going, you can make that a rear facing seat right there. You can also lift these guys up too. And now everyone in the boat can enjoy all the fun and cool action and all the progression that's happening behind this awesome boat. This boat has so much storage, it's not even funny. You can fit everything underneath every seat in this boat. On those crazy weekends where all of those boaters are out and all of the jet skidos are out on the water, but your crew still wants to go out and get a few sets in and have some fun, it's really nice having the live look camera right here in the tower so that captain can keep their head up facing forward, but it's nice just glance down to see what all crazy stuff we're doing back here on the stern. My name's Justin Mitchell. This has been the XT25 walkthrough here at beautiful MarineMax Dallas. Have a good one.